In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Vietnamese on Google Translate. By the end, you will be able to translate Vietnamese even when your phone has no internet connection at all. First, open the Google Translate app on your Android phone or your iPhone. When it opens, you should see the main Translate screen with two language names near the top, recent translations below, and a large text box in the center. If the app asks for any basic permissions, allow them so it can work properly. Once you see the main screen, you are ready for the next step. Now, tap the language name at the top that shows on the left or on the right. This is the row that usually shows something like English to another language. When you tap the language name, a full list of available languages will slide up, usually taking the whole screen. You will see a search bar at the top and a long scrollable list of languages beneath it, many with small icons beside them. From there, search for Vietnamese. You can either scroll down the list slowly until you see Vietnamese, or tap in the search bar at the top and type the word Vietnamese. As you type, the list will filter, and very quickly you should only see Vietnamese on the screen. A common beginner mistake is to scroll very fast and skip past it, so move the list in short swipes and watch for the word carefully. Next, tap the download icon next to Vietnamese. The icon looks like a small arrow pointing downward. It appears on the right side of the line for Vietnamese. When you tap this icon, the app prepares to download the offline language pack, which is a file stored on your phone. You might see the arrow briefly change or a small progress hint appear next to the language. After that, tap download to confirm. A confirmation box appears in the center of the screen, showing the size of the Vietnamese language file in megabytes and asking if you want to download it for offline use. This helps you understand how much storage space it will take. Tap the download button in that box. Once you tap it, the box closes and you go back to the language list. Now wait until the download finishes. While it downloads, you will usually see a spinning progress indicator or a percentage next to Vietnamese. Leave the app open and keep your screen on if possible so the download does not pause. For larger language packs, this can take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your connection speed at the time of download. At this point, Vietnamese is now available offline. You will know it worked when you see a small offline or download checkmark icon next to Vietnamese in the list. From now on, when you select Vietnamese as either your source or target language, Google Translate can work even without internet, using the data stored directly on your phone. You have just downloaded Vietnamese for offline use in Google Translate, so if this helped you translate without data, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick translation tips.